Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the area and the device so the tool can work efficiently. First, clean the bite and dry the skin. Once done, inspect the suction cup and choose the nozzle that matches the bite size. Next, assemble the device according to the markings and press the rim firmly to the skin to form a tight seal. Make sure to maintain contact during initial pumping. You want steady pressure, not jerky tugs, to draw out fluid and irritants. Once the seal is set, pump in a controlled, rhythmic motion to develop steady suction. Rapid or excessive force can bruise tissue. Keep the cup in place for the manufacturer's recommended window, typically 30 to 90 seconds, while you monitor redness and swelling. If you see fluid or a slight raised welt forming under the cup, that's a good sign. Make small positional adjustments if the cup loses grip. Repeat the cycle up to 3 times, letting the skin rest briefly between attempts to avoid trauma. To finish, release the suction slowly by lifting one edge of the cup to let air in. Do not yank. Clean the bite site with antiseptic and wash the tool per instructions, replacing disposable parts. Apply a cold compress and a topical antihistamine if swelling or itch persists, and monitor the area for 24 to 48 hours. If you get increasing pain, spreading redness, fever, or no improvement after repeated tries, stop using the device and consult a healthcare professional as your trouble.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.